coming to you live from Emerald's 31st Annual Groundhog Day Investment Conference. My name is Elliot Foster. This year's theme is the innovation economy. Innovation starts small. I am joined here right now with Scott Blumenthal. His coverage area is industrials, materials, aerospace, and defense. Let's jump right into it, Scott. First question. How is innovation driving efficiency and productivity in industrial operations? And what is the impact on technology, which is changing all the time, on industrial processes?
Well, industrials is a broad space, and I think innovation has a number of definitions within the industrial space. You can look at innovation as being everything from basic research to application of new technologies to existing equipment, as existing processes, in addition to actual new developments, new features in mobile equipment, vehicles, to communications technologies, and many, many other aspects of the industrial economy. I think that when it comes to being related mostly with industrials, we tend to think of innovation as automation, maybe replacing people. I don't know that that's fair, because whereas, we are facing a labor shortage now, I think that companies have always had the incentive to become more efficient. They have a profit motive. And so innovation has always been something that has been present. Knowledge is cumulative. We acquire it over time, and as it's applied, that results in innovation and moves businesses forward.
There's been a desire for onshoring in recent years. Is onshoring taking root in the United States?
Well, that's a fun question, and we talk about that a lot. The real issue is, why did we offshore things to begin with? And I think that was mostly for physical goods that had a high labor content. If you have a high labor content, then the manufacturing process moves to an area in which labor is inexpensive. If you can automate something, or if labor is not the highest component of the cost of a good, so you can automate it, you can create a process that reduces the amount of labor, then it tends to move to other things, such as proximity to materials, proximity to the market, cost of fuel, logistical capabilities, and the like. Historically, we've moved things offshore because of labor. Now, as labor becomes more expensive in some of the places that we've moved it, it's got to go somewhere else. And so you really have to take into account all of those different factors, all of those different costs in the equation. And I think that there are many, many things that could be so automated. For example, I love this example. Most of the nuts and bolts and screws and nails that we use in the United States, if not all of them, are made in China. There's no reason to make those things in China. We have machine tools that you could load a metal bar into, and they run all day, and you could put them in the corner of the factory. If you have somebody come in there once a day and load it and unload it, there's no reason why you can't do that, outside of Philadelphia. And then you're very, very close to the market, sure, rather than having to ship it overseas. Awesome.
Awesome.
There's a lot of solutions like that.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate your time. We appreciate it. Get back to enjoying Groundhog Day. We have a lot going on. It's very insightful. If you'd like to revisit this clip or some of the others that we've had, please visit our website at www.teamemerald.com. Thank you very much.